With the repair and replace, it really depends on the age of the system, you know, what shape the system is in, and whether it's, you know, feasible to go ahead and change the system out for the, you know, long-term use of, you know, the efficiency of the system. So a lot of the older systems, if you repair them, you're still paying the high light bill. You still have all the other old parts in them, and then, you know, you'll have multiple breakdowns. If you have a system, you know, that's over 10 years old, you can replace the system, lower your power bills, and the system will pay for itself with the power bill savings over, you know, about 3-4 year period. And if you go up to the higher efficiencies, you'll save that much more money.